Hey everyone, this is Mark here for Monster Workshop, and this is just going to be a quick video talking about a really important change that's coming on May 26th to your Google Analytics data. So essentially what's happening is after May 26th, once the GDPR goes live, Google Analytics are going to be changing up how long they keep your data up for. So essentially, the default retention right now is unlimited. You have unlimited access to your historical data for as long as you've had your analytics account. So on May 26th, this is going to default and shorten down to 26 months. So you don't want to lose this capability and this functionality of being able to go back to all this old reports and all these old data that it's been collecting and do analytics on. So you have to make sure that you come in and manually change this setting. Now, if you're a Monster Workshop client, you don't have to worry about this. We've already taken care of it on everyone's accounts and set it to not expiring. So if you're not a Monster Workshop client and you're just running your own analytics profile, this is what you need to do to ensure that you don't lose all this historical data. So once you log into your analytics profile, you want to come down here to admin and click on this little admin icon. And you want to come over here under property and you want to click on JS tracking info and come down to data retention. Now once you click this, it's automatically going to change. See, it's saying here the settings will take effect on May 25th, 2018. So that's when the GDPR comes in. So by default, it's going to be on 26 months. So that means you've got just over 2 years of historical data that you can report on. You want to change this to do not automatically expire. And now once you change this, now you're going to have access to all of your historical data forever and it's not going to disappear on you. So really good to change this setting and make sure that Google doesn't shoehorn out your data when the GDPR rolls around. So I hope you guys find this helpful and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.